Most people today don't drink enough water to maintain optimum health. However, there has been much research done on the benefits of water and how it can help with losing weight. Here are some interesting facts that might encourage you to drink more water. The most obvious reason is that water fills you up. So it is advisable to have a glass of water before you go to places where you overindulge in food and drink. This will help trick the body into thinking it is full. Our bodies often confuse hunger for thirst. The next time you feel the need to eat, try a glass of water first. There is a good chance you were just thirsty. Water can also boost your metabolism. A couple of glasses of cold water make the body rev up, burning more calories by having to warm and process the water. It is also a natural appetite suppressant and helps metabolize fat. This is done by supporting the kidneys with their processing, which helps free up the liver to allow it to metabolize fat. Also, if the body is dehydrated, it will attempt to hold on to as much water as it can, resulting in water retention and bloating. This can really add to your body weight. If you are reaching a plateau in your weight loss efforts, just try and add a few extra glasses of fresh water to your diet, and it can restart your metabolism while continuing your progression towards your weight goals. Remember, it is vital to have a clean drinking water system. Have it ready and available to you at all times. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, please subscribe below. Also, please click on the bell for future notifications from us. Coming up in the next video: the health benefits of drinking water versus distilled water.